Let me show you how to use the filter formula in Google Sheet. It's a handy way to pull out just the data you need without messing with your original information. First, let's create some dummy data of 2 columns, customers and order, with 9 entries from cell A2 to cell B10. Now, click on the cell next to that table or where you want your filtered results to show up. Type an equal sign, then the word filter, and open a parenthesis. Now, tell Sheets which data you're working with by entering the range, like in this case, A2 to B10. After that, add a comma and set your condition. Say you only want rows where column B has the number 100 or greater than that. You'd write B2, colon, B10, greater than 100, close the parenthesis, and hit enter. Just like that, you'll see only the rows that match your condition. You can even filter by more than one rule. For example, if you need rows where column B is 100 and column A says John, you'll add another condition after the comma. A2, colon, A10 equals John. The cool part is, if your original data changes, the filtered results update on their own. The best thing about the filter function is it leaves your original data untouched while giving you a dynamic way to analyze it. No more manual sorting or hiding rows. That's all there is to it. If this helps, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment with liked so I can thank you directly.